I arrange my desk.
I arrange my desk.
I take short breaks.
I take short breaks.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I feel fresh outside.
I feel fresh outside.
I enjoy morning walks.
I enjoy morning walks.
I watch short videos.
I watch short videos.
I repeat new words.
I repeat new words.
I write simple lines.
I write simple lines.
I check spelling twice.
I check spelling twice.
I learn step by step.
I learn step by step.
I ask clear question.
I ask clear question.
I answer slowly.
I answer slowly.
I speak with confidence.
I speak with confidence.
I keep calm always.
I keep calm always.
I try new sentences.
I try new sentences.
I learn from errors.
I learn from errors.
I stay positive today.
I stay positive today.
I focus on basics.
I focus on basics.
I follow simple rules.
I follow simple rules.
I respect all people.
I respect all people.
I help when possible.
I help when possible.
I share my ideas.
I share my ideas.
I enjoy group practice.
I enjoy group practice.
I like quiet places.
I like quiet places.